Hi, dear Capricorn. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 2nd till the 8th of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. Okay, now let's start, honey. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Capricorn. Let's see what's happening. Hermit. Okay, someone is thinking long and hard about you. It's like wow, someone is kind of you know mm, taking their time to think about the situation between you and them. So thinking long and hard about the situation between you and them. Let me clarify the Hermit. We have the Five of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Ace of Cups. Oh, see, their mind is trying to take over their emotions, and they feel like talking to you, back having back and forth communication with you, being vulnerable in front of you. But at the same time, their mind is kind of telling them not to say anything to you, even if they are feeling overwhelmed by the kind of emotions that they have for you. They are kind of trying to listen to their mind, and their mind is continuously telling them to take a step back, think before they do anything about the situation. Don't just listen to their heart, don't mess this up, don't do this, don't do that. So that is why they are right now in this thinking mode, because their emotions are all over the place, and they definitely feel like sharing with you the emotions that they carry for the situation and you. But at the same time, they're kind of feeling overwhelmed and listening to their mind right now. Hmm. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Six of Cups. You miss somebody like crazy, aren't you? You're missing somebody. You're either hoping for a reconciliation, coming back together with somebody, or you're missing the old times with the same person that you had at some point of time, and you feel like having that time back in your life again. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Cups. It's like you're in the you are living here, but you are continuously living in the past, even if you are in the present. Okay, let's clarify the Six of Cups. Okay, Tower, Page of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. Wow, you got to know something about a person that you really, really care about, and that changed everything between you and them. But you guys are at a distance because of whatever happened. Now you're missing them like crazy. Even if you're not talking to them, even if there is something going on between you guys right now that's making you pissed off with them, but you can't stop thinking about that person. You still have lots of love and emotions for them, but you guys are at a distance, and it's kind of killing you. Oh god. Oh god. Something deceptive happened here, and that changed the whole dynamics between you and your person. That is why you feel like going back to the time when you guys used to be very much in love with each other and everything was totally fine between you guys, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Hierophant. Their intention is to have. Okay, let me clarify this Hierophant before I say anything more, because I'm getting something else intuitively, but it can be a totally different message. This is someone who is very wise person, very spiritual kind of a person, not somebody who just do everything just for the sake of fun or something. No, they take their time before they do anything about situations. This person is somebody who wants to manifest a brand new beginning between you and them, and they're waiting for the time when they will be able to settle the conflict between you and them. You guys had a fight. You guys had a fight. You guys had a major argument. or you guys had some kind of fallout in the connection. Now they want to come forward towards you with a very mature, with a very sorted, very clean and clear cut energy of can we be friends again, or can we start all over again? Depends on your situation whether you guys can be together again, like romantically. But this is somebody who's definitely thinking about having a brand new beginning with you, even if it is going to mean like you guys are going to remain friends for the rest of your lives. Hmm. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? There could be age difference between you guys, or this is somebody who's quite mature or maturing because of this situation. The Magician, you also wants to manifest something here in the situation. Let's clarify the Magician. I just hope you don't want to manipulate somebody. Let's clarify the Magician here. We have the Justice, the High Priestess, and the King of Cups. You just want to do the right thing by not saying much to this person, or by not being vulnerable in front of this person whatsoever. Even if you love them, even if you care a lot about them, you just want to do the right thing. You're just manifesting the right outcome out of the situation. The right outcome might be final separation or breakup. The right outcome might be you are never going to be together again, or the right outcome might be that that other person should not I'm sorry, I was about to sneeze. The other person should not know about your feelings in this lifetime ever, ever, ever again. So you're manifesting. I'm sorry about. I'm having viral anyway, so it took me 2 tablets to sit here and do the readings and a lot of meditation and healing. You're just manifesting a good outcome, the outcome that's good for both of you, the outcome that is going to bring justice. Even if you are in love with this person like crazy, you just want the right thing to happen here. Let's see what's coming towards until the 8th of December. Cappies. Ace of Cups. Okay, someone is going to open up their heart to you, or you are going to be emotional, or you are going to be vulnerable in front of somebody. It's like opening up of energies, opening up, being vulnerable in front of other people. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups here. We have the Queen of Swords, the Hermit, and the Empress. What is wrong with me? Okay, dear Cappies. So, someone is going to make sure that you know that they still think about you in that way, romantically. They still want to have growth and expansion with you. They still want to have a family kind of dynamics between you and them. And after that, I don't see anything happening. It's like somebody telling you, see, Capricorn, I still love you. I still have feelings for you. I still see a future between you and me. But I know maybe it's never going to happen or something like that. There's a but. Not but. There's a beauty but. Not beautiful but. Laughter attack. I'm sorry, I'm a crazy woman. Anyway, so somebody is going to tell you or express their feelings to you, and boom, after that they are going to be like silent as a wall. Like, I'm sorry, I don't have anything more to say. This is it. This is the outcome. Strange, right? So for you, the guidance here is, if you're waiting for somebody to show up in your life and you're putting your life on hold because somebody else have to show up, don't do that. Keep moving ahead. Do not waste your time and energy in waiting. Use your time and energy in believing and having faith and forgiving and moving on, because the show must go on even if somebody is going to show up or not. Okay, honey? And if you are the one who is keeping somebody on hold, just clear the air with them as soon as possible, and then set them free. It's very, very important. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.